are here in Fish Market, vegetables area, waterfront. So many. Very cheap. Low prices. Very fresh. Nice. Vegetables, fruits. Wow. Nice. Very affordable prices. Oh, see? They can speak Tagalog. Masarap mangga? Nakabili na ako. Oh. Saging, mayroon na akong saging. Dragon fruit. Oh, see the mango. Big. Grapes, 15 only, 20. Very cheap. See? Oh. With plants. May kamuting kahoy. Watermelon for only 350. Nice banana. What is this? Wow! Nice. This is very huge fish market with other side meat shop and the other side is fish, but my main purpose is just to buy fruits. So we are here in fruit shop. Thank you so much for watching.